Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. You know I will on there with the latest mix up and mix downs. It's April and I want 100 likes on the video. So the song there a while ago named Spice Inches, is it named Inches by Spice. But another that we are going to talk about. So tune in now.
Never know say you're bad, sir.
Alright guys, so I cut it short. Reason being Instagram. It can post but not here on YouTube. YouTube's more strict, as it guys, but for everybody who watch it and know, the man bust off in a seconds. Normally when you reach on them stroke, it feel go hard. You see me? As much as she ugly and sick in stomach, how him so weak? You see me? When I got tell no lie, them need for take away our phone from her. You see me? Amari phone need for be taken away, yo. You see? A long time when I watch Discovery Channel, you know. And them look like two animals, man. I gotta tell no like people gonna comment down below and tell me cause this distasteful. If attention seeker was a person, right?
I see it perfect. Guys, let's start it off. Listen, so I'm gonna show you the difference between a magician and a mentalist. A magician messes with your eyes. So if I said to you 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 American dollars, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Don't blink or you'll miss this. Don't blink or you'll miss it. Look, that's 1, 2, 3. That's every single bill. Every single bill, back and front. Now you can imagine, I do this, I stay home all day doing this. And I do it with, let me see if I can get, there we go. Yeah, and so you stay home and you do this all day, and you're able to get a couple $100. Now, maybe I'll try this, maybe. I'm going to do a $100 giveaway. But Lava, later on, you'll tell me how you want to do this. Maybe through, maybe they send their Cash App or their Venmo, and we'll give away $100 at the end of this. Make sure you send this out so you can increase it.
Right.
But now let me show you what I do. That's a little bit of magic. With the mind, it's much different. Lava, I want you to think, imagine you got on a plane, and you're going to go anywhere you want in the world. Not Jamaica, it's too easy. Anywhere you want. It could be a city, a state, a country, an island, anywhere in the world. Do you have a place in your mind?
Yeah.
Think of the first thing you're going to do in this place now. Don't say it. I'm going to write down a place, something to do. This could be any place at all. Matter of fact, I'm committed. This is what I think Lava's thinking. I'm going to leave it in there. I can't change my mind. Lava, do you want to change your mind, yes or no?
No.
Listen, I'm going to leave it here so you can see it. I'm going to leave it right there. Now listen to me. This could be any place. This could be anything you can do there. For the first time, Lava, what was the place that came to your mind? Tell everybody.
Paris.
Listen, when you imagine going to Paris, what was the first thing you imagined? You could have been anywhere in the world. What was the first thing you were going to do when you get to Paris? You say it.
Yeah, tour. Look around.
Tour, yes? Yeah. Listen, you could have said anything. I put one thing inside. One thing, well, two things. I'll show you. Lava, for everybody just tuning in. Think of any place, anything you can do. What was the place?
Paris.
And you were going to do?
Tour. Bomboclad.
Manalai, shut and laugh, Avabuzz.
Wonderful.
Let's do one more. If I had to do something with everybody watching, all 8,863 people, I'm going to try one thing, but we have to do something because I don't have 1,000 places. If I was going to read everybody's mind, even you watching right now at home, everybody watching, I'm going to grab, I don't know, I'm going to grab some, let me grab some red cards maybe. Maybe we'll grab these. Okay, I got some cards. Let me take out a couple cards. Okay, these are random cards. I want you, everybody watching, I want you to remember one of these cards. I'm not going to show you yet. I'm going to show you them, and I'm going to have everybody remember one. Turn off the comments for 1 second, Love.
Oh, hold on.
Now, it's important that everybody at home remember everything about your card. Remember if it's a hearts, a diamonds, a clubs, or a spade. Lava, you're going to play along with me. Here we go. 6 cards. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to remember one card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you remember one card?
Yes.
I'm going to try which one. Okay, this one. 5 cards. Lava, tell me. Did I get it?
Bumbo clad queen of
Everybody in the house right now, hit the heart button if I got your card. Hit the heart button right now. Everybody go hit the heart button right now if I got your card. Turn on the comments. Let's see what they're saying.
Damn. Whoa. Whoa.
Listen, if I got your card, go give me a follow. We're not done yet. Go give me a follow really quick. Come right back. I got one more crazy thing to show you. Maybe 2 more things, if Lav lets me.
Yeah.
Everybody quickly go follow me to win the $100. I'm going to give away $100. Let's see. We'll grab... So I stay home making these, but these we can put them in the bank and then we can send them out. We'll do this through Cash App. Make sure you follow me to win the money. I'm going to do a little test later. Okay, listen. Let's try this. I got into your mind, Love. I wonder if you can get inside of my mind. Let me show you what I mean. Everybody that I meet, they want to ask me, how do you get into somebody's mind to break into their phone? Women into their man's phone, men into their women's phone. I have it's only 4 numbers in my password. I'm not going to tell you what they are. Actually, let me grab a paper. I'm going to write the 4 numbers down. Did you see what I wrote?
No.
Okay. I don't want you to guess, but I'm going to see if I can put my voice in your head. If you can hear the numbers that I hear. These are the 4 numbers. As a matter of fact, I'm going to leave them back over here. Now, only if you get this, we're going to give away $100, but this is on you, Love. You have to stay tuned with me on this. Listen to me. Matter of fact, let's go from the phone, right directly from the phone so we know it's real. Look. 4 numbers. Any 4 numbers. I don't want you to just guess or say something stupid like 1, 2, 3, 4. Somebody did that yesterday. Or somebody said 2, 5, 8, 0 because it's in a line. Guess anyone you want right now, Lava. Anyone.
Okay. I guess it.
Say.
994.
9, 3 nines.
Yeah.
And
4.
1, 4. Look. No. Love, that's just you guessing. I said I hear the numbers in my mind. Close your eyes for a second. You're going to hear these numbers in a second. Not yet. They're going to come to your mind right now. Open your eyes. Open your eyes, Lava. Look at me. Lava, for the first time, you're not going to know why, but say any random 4 numbers. These are going to be the numbers. Say them. The ones that come to your mind.
2016. Bumbo clad.